Well, it's been just a week since Apple Pay launched, but already some major retailers have stopped offering the service to customers.
And our digital reporter Megan Brennan says it's for the benefit of the stores, not you. Megan, explain.
That's exactly right, Carolyn. Rite Aid and CVS, along with many other major retailers, have disabled their Apple Pay systems, and they're doing it to save themselves money. Rite Aid, CVS, Walmart, Best Buy, and about 50 other retailers are working on their own payment system called Currency. The reason? Well, unlike Apple Pay, which works with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, Currency cuts out the credit card companies altogether, and it saves the retailers the swipe fees that they pay to those companies, which averages about 2% of the cost of the transaction. Now, Currency may also allow stores to gather data about your purchases and then, in turn, offer discounts to loyal shoppers. This is, of course, in stark contrast to Apple Pay's built-in anonymity. Carolyn, Currency is not expected to be ready until 2015, and the details aren't yet out to the public, so we're seeing a lot of consumer complaints on Twitter.
I bet we are. All right, thanks a lot, Megan.